Pip and the Giggle-Muffin. In a cozy burrow at the bottom of a big oak tree lived a little squirrel named Pip. Pip loved to bake, and one morning he found a very special recipe in his grandmother's old cookbook, the Giggle-Muffin. Pip gathered all the ingredients: sunshine drops, a cup of morning dew, and 3 happy thoughts. He mixed and stirred until he had the perfect batter. He popped it in the oven, and soon the whole burrow smelled of sweet, happy things. Ding! The muffin was ready. It wasn't just any muffin. It was plump and golden, with a cherry on top that wiggled. And if you listened very closely, you could hear it humming a tiny, giggly tune. "This is too good to keep to myself," Pip said. He put the Giggle-Muffin in a small basket and scurried out of his burrow. "I'll share it with my friends." Soon he met his friend Lily the rabbit, who was practicing her hops. "Hello, Pip. What's in the basket?" she asked. "It's a Giggle-Muffin," said Pip. "Would you like to share it?" Lily took a bite. First, her nose twitched. Then her ears wiggled. Then a little giggle escaped. Hee-hee! Soon, she and Pip were rolling in the grass, laughing so hard their bellies hurt. Hee-hee-hee! Ha-ha-ha! "I know who needs a giggle," Pip said. Once he could catch his breath, he waved goodbye to Lily and headed towards the grumbly hill where Grumbles the badger lived. Grumbles was always very, very grumpy. Grumbles was sitting on his doorstep, frowning at a flower. "Go away," he grumbled without even looking at Pip. "I'm busy being grumpy, but I brought you a Giggle-Muffin," said Pip softly. Grumbles sniffed. The muffin did smell wonderful. "Fine," he huffed, and took a tiny, grumpy bite. For a moment, nothing happened. Then his whiskers trembled. A little sound escaped. Huh. Then came a bigger giggle. Ha-ha! And then a huge, rumbling laugh that shook his whole body. Ho, ho, ho! Grumbles the badger was laughing. Pip started to giggle too. Sharing a laugh with a new friend was the most magical thing of all.